have to...
I crapped my pants!
Or do anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
So we're gonna make a YouTube channel. It's gonna be called, hold on, Dookie Boy. So it's gonna be called Dookie Rails. Dookierails. Hell yeah! And I'm gonna get a GoPro and make videos on all this shit. Hell yeah! Going faster! Speed up! Hell yeah!
Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take me into the
Hell
forbidden
yeah!
forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks
Oh, we
are
love
worse than his
Fluffy!
voice. No, don't panic. I'll just...
Oh, here we go!
Looks like you've lost power.
Oh no! And I went backwards? What?
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo.
Speed up!
Sorry, I never was great shakes.
Hell yeah! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Salem after me.
One,
Lumos Salem.
stop!
Woo, that was
Hell
close.
yeah!
Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted.
Oh no! I get fire in my face!
Take those purple buttons.
Whoa!
Dragonfire's got a kick.
Dragonfire's kicking ass today! Hell yeah!
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing.